Welcome out to the Rundown Chefs. Today, we got something a little different for you. Have you ever been in a store and been like, hey, I want that over there. Let me try that. I gotta get it. Let me have it. Well, that's how I felt about this funnel cake mix. I went, what is this? Funnel cake. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this product that I found in the store 6 months ago.
That's a long time ago.
This here is a carnival style funnel cake mix. I found it at a super low discount store in the back shelf of the back alley behind the things that nobody else buys. So I thought, why don't we give this a quick review? All right, now right here's your funnel cake mix. Just opens up right here, and you gotta pull the ingredients out of the funnel. Oh, just like that. Look at that, it's very industrial.
Do you want a knife for that?
No, we don't need a knife. We're gonna open it right up. Funnel cake mix. Oh, yeah. We're just gonna add this mix right into the bowl of this mystery funnel cake powder. Nobody knows what's inside. 1 1/3 cup of water is now gonna be mixed into the funnel cake mix.
That's a half cup. Okay, that you're at 1 cup. Mix it and see where we're at with that. What you're looking for here is more of a waffle kind of look for the actual batter, so we're gonna add a little bit more water. You want to add turbo?
Yeah, let's add turbo.
1, 2, 3, go!
Alright, now it's time. People say, what is a funnel cake? Well, it's time to add the cake mix to the funnel. Let's do this. Alright, now it's time to add the funnel cake to the pan. Once again, you gotta wait for your oil to get hot, and you can just draw whatever pattern you like right in the pan.
Oh. So it says 30 seconds. And then we're going to flip it, right? For
That's
20 more
right.
seconds. Oh, it's going. Or until the edges start to actually kind of cook. I think about here, right? Let's try this. Wow. That was pretty simple. It's actually pretty cool. I think it's ready, yeah?
Yeah, it's probably done. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's how it came out.
Yeah, that's actually not bad. Tastes like a carnival.
Actually, yeah, you're actually right. This is what it looks up close. It looks very similar to the carnivals. Hold it in your hand like that. I mean, it pretty much looks just like the actual thing. Minus the paper plate.
Alright, now we got this carnival treat right here all complete. It tastes so good. It's like going to the carnival, but minus all the crazy carnival people. I've been running the ride since before you're born, boy. You know, so, tastes so good, looking so great. What I want you to do is like, comment, and subscribe below to the Rundown Chefs. We got some more videos coming your way, as well as a donut video you're going to want to check out coming soon.